Greetings. This is the Verbal Antidote channel. I'm back. It's a long time waiting for this. A Russian video. The metal birds of Russia have struck a Ukrainian school with children. All right, here we go. With no further ado, I'm not gonna wait. Watch. I'm pretty sure there's kids in the rubble. Dead babies, all right? Watch.
With QuickBooks Solopreneur, you'll gain confidence in your books. And it's on sale for a limited time.
The metal birds of Russia have struck in Kyiv. They're searching for dead children. All right, there we go. Thanks for watching. The search is on.